I remember when I struggled with money, just like many of you might be experiencing now. But now, I don't have any debt, nor I need to stay away from my credit card, and also I am prepared for my retirement. All these happened just because I got to know few of the finest rules of money. Well, in this video, I will be telling you the 12 most essential rules of earning and handling money that completely turned my financial life around. Do watch the video till the end, as the last rule is the ultimate one. So now let's start. 1. Never have a credit card balance remaining. Avoid credit card debt like a harmful disease is the first financial guideline. Paying these charges is a simple method to reduce your net worth because credit card borrowing rates are so outrageously high. Debt is not always a negative thing, but credit card debt is by far the worst. 2. Wealth and income are not synonymous. Making a lot of money and getting affluent are two very different things since your net worth is more significant than your income. It's remarkable how many people don't understand this obvious reality. Being wealthy or poor is not based just on your income, neither is it based solely on how much you make. What counts is how much of your salary you save away. 3. Instead of living within your means, do so. Being continuously below your own earning potential is the only certain method to grow your money. You can only move from one paycheck to the next by either living at or beyond your means and never actually accumulating riches. Living within your means and saving some of your money is the only way to achieve financial success. I have seen many people who live below their means and are having millions of dollars in the bank. If you want to know more financial tips, then do subscribe our channel and also press the like button. 4. Don't skimp on your major purchases. Really, do you require a home with 4 or 5 bedrooms? If the majority of your trips are to and from work, how about a top-of-the-line 4x4? Personal finance experts sometimes concentrate on relatively little costs like lattes and takeout, but the biggest purchases, particularly houses and cars, will be the ones that have the greatest impact on your ability to manage your money. 5. Insure the important stuff. Another item with a margin of safety is this. Some people have excessive insurance, while others have insufficient coverage. Consider the greatest dangers you and your loved ones face. The impact on your family or business if you were to pass away or become incapacitated should be your first priority. To quantify that impact in dollars and, if at all possible, insurance against it, is the goal. Just keep in mind that insurance is meant to safeguard money rather than create it. 6. Your annual savings should rise. 10% to 20% of your salary is the range of savings we advise. To ensure that you never even realize you have more money, the idea is to boost your rate of savings each time you earn a salary raise. Though it might be challenging, avoiding lifestyle creep is essential for wealth accumulation. The sooner you start saving money, the less likely it is that you will later discover that it was never deposited into your bank account to be spent. And also, if you start saving money, they will act as an emergency fund in times of job loss or any other problem. 7. Long-term wealth is not something that stuff can provide. We experience a brief dopamine rush when we engage in retail therapy, but it quickly wears off. True riches is whatever you don't squander money on, therefore buying things won't make you happy or wealthy. The finest investments you can make are webinars and courses that offer you more value for your money and provide you with financial knowledge. 8. Recognize your position where you are at. Everyone should have a rough notion of what their genuine net worth is. Knowing where you are is a prerequisite for knowing where you wish to go. To do that, total up all of your assets and deduct any obligations. With some basic assumptions regarding savings rates, market returns, and portfolio growth, you may provide yourself some future benchmarks. Actually, you will get a goal. 9. Money wants to get invested. Your money always desires to get invested. Don't just keep your money in the bank. Instead, invest in stocks, bonds, mutual funds, real estate, and many more. Yes, it's crucial to save money, but it is equally important to invest it. 10. Be sure to pay your taxes. Tax concerns can be quite complex, but it's crucial to have a fundamental understanding of how the system functions. Utilizing accounts that let you save and invest without paying taxes is crucial. Additionally, benefit from tax reduction on your pension payments. This is essentially free money sitting on the sidelines as long as you're prepared to wait till you quit working to receive it. 11. Save as much as you can. Pay yourself first is such basic advice, yet so few people really do it. Setting a high savings rate provides you a significant margin of safety in life, making it the smartest financial decision you can make. You can manage your rate of savings, but you have no influence on the level of interest rates, stock market performance, or the timing of recessions and bear markets. 12. Increase your income. A wonderful approach to advance financially is to combine saving and spending less, but if you're not also working to advance your job, your plan will fall short. That there is nothing they can do to gain a better job, take on more responsibility, or being paid more is a view that is held by far too many individuals. Over time, you'll need to gain more self-confidence, develop your abilities, and bargain for a bigger salary. Over the course of a year, a salary increase of $1,000 may be worth hundreds of thousands of dollars. 13. Spend money on financial education. There are innumerable books available on personal finance. If you find it tedious, at the very least read through a few and choose the finest parts of advice from a few different sources to try out. All secondary schools and colleges should teach this material, yet they don't. Therefore, you must take the initiative. Nobody will give your financial choices more consideration than you. Spend some cash, time, and effort on yourself. The finest investment you can make is in it. That's all for today. Now you know all the most profitable rules of money. Also, I told an extra rule at the end. Have you watched it? Do let me know in the comments. If you loved the video, then do subscribe our channel and also press the like button. Do share this video with all of your friends. Thank you for watching till here.